Hello, bros. I am in the bro army. My name is Nathan Elijah V. Torres, and I am from Philippines. I've been watching PewDiePie, Amnesia Custom Stories, and How Oni, and Happy Wheels, and whatever, and this is my friend Mac. And this is Jojo. This is Riley, Mac.
I'm watching you, bro.
And we're from Philippines. We're in Magalang now. So, if
I'm watching you.
Stop it!
Don't please watch this video. I like do things without excuses. Yeah.
And this is Kuya CJ. The one who the naked one is Kuya CJ. And PewDiePie, if you watch this, I'm a really big fan of yours. You could tell me I'm your #1 fan. So please click more on Nisha Custom Stories because you make my day happy. Bye bye. And Pewdie, if you go to Philippines, can we meet?
Because you can do something sexy.
Goodbye.
You're bad words.
I like Piggy though. My favorite color.
Some sexy.
Stop it. I like Jojo. I mean.
Okay, you like Jojo. I'm done.
I like Piggy as the character in Amnesia because
He's scary.
but I'm more crazier
Sorry.
than him. Yeah. So Beauty, if you go to Philippines, please make a video that you will go. So I will make another video and
Give me something video.
Goodbye.